How to add in screens to YouTube videos. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find the profile picture of your YouTube. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of YouTube Studio. With that, you'll be directed to this page, Channel Dashboard. Now at the left corner, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of Content. Now in this page, you're gonna find a list of the videos. Head towards the video in which you want to add the in screen. Click on this pen kind of icon. Now, scroll down. At the right corner, you'll see the option of in-screen. Click on that option. Now it's time to set up your in-screen. First, manage the time by adjusting the timeline. For example, if your video is 1 minute 3 seconds long, you might want the in-screen to appear at the 50-second mark. Next, choose what elements you want to include in your in-screen. You have options like one video and a subscriber button, 2 videos, or even a playlist. I'll go with 1 video and 1 subscribe button for this example. Manage the time frame for those options as well. For the video selection, you're gonna get different options. Best for viewer, choose specific video. I'm gonna choose a specific video, this one. And just with that, I have set up in-screen for this video. Now you can click on save. So this is how you can easily add in-screen on YouTube videos. That's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.